Good morning, children. Yes, yesterday we learned the half story of the cat seller and the monkeys, the new generation. Right? So, before starting this lesson, children, as I told you the before story, that you have to keep in your mind. Okay? Now, what happened in the half story? Yes, Ramu Kaka was a cap seller. Right? And once in the afternoon, children all came from the school and after hearing the familiar song, which song? Come out children, where are you? I have got caps for each one of you. His song was very familiar to them. So all the children they ran away from the home, they came out from the home to greet Ramu Kaka, their favorite cap seller, Ramu Kaka, right? He had so colorful caps and his caps were cheap and good, right? Cheap means low in price, right? So, all the children they used to love his, yes, stories. They all were very fond of him. Why? Because Ramu Kaka used to tell them nice story of people he had met in other villages. Like while selling the caps, he might have visited the other cities, other towns. He used to tell in the stories what happened with the people. Right? So, what happens there? After entertaining the children, Ramu Kaka decided to go to another village to sell those caps. He managed to sell few caps to the children. Why? He started to tell the stories and he kept that all children engaged. So he managed to sell some caps with them. Next, as he decided to move the other village, what he did? He was very tired. He wanted to take some rest. So what he found? On the way, he saw a big tree, right? A shady tree. So he wanted to take rest in that shade of that tree. What he did? He lowered his basket and kept beside him. Then, after having lunch, he wanted to take a short nap. Nap means sleeping for some short of time. Okay, so he sat there, but he was not knowing about it. The tree he had chosen to take rest, it was the home of lots of monkeys, right? He was not aware of it. He did not realize. Realize means aware, right? He was not knowing that the tree he was taking rest under, the tree was home for the lot of monkeys. So, as he sat down below the tree, then what happened? All the monkeys, they were watching him. They were waiting to Ramu Kaka get fallen asleep. Right? And it happened. Ramu Kaka, as he sat down to take rest, he fallen asleep. Right? Now what the monkeys will do, we will see in the next page lesson. Okay? Children, open your textbook, page number 13. Right? So note down your homework. You have to read page number. Yes, you have to read the page number 13. Okay? And what you have to do? You have to read this 5 times. How many times? 5 times you have to read page number 13 and write script writing. Okay? Script writing page number 2. Okay children? Open textbook. Let us read. Yes children, till here we have seen that all the monkeys they waited till that Ramu Kaka had fallen asleep. Right? See, they all are watching Ramu Kaka. Then come to the next. Then they quietly slid down. Open your notebook children. the new word meanings. Tell me the meaning of slid. Moving smoothly, right? Then they slid down, moved very smoothly. They all moved very smoothly down from the tree. Opened his basket. What they did? They opened his basket and helped themselves to a cap each. Means they took one cap for each from his basket. Pleased with their new possessions. Yes, children, pleased means what? Proud of. And possessions means belongings. They were very happy to take the caps, right? They were feeling that caps are belongs to them. They scampered up the tree. Scampered means moving fast. After taking each cap, like caps for each of them, they scampered means they moved very fast on the tree. Chattering loudly. Chattering means continuous noise, right? How they chatters the monkey? They started to chatter loudly. The monkeys made so much of noise that Ramu Kaka woke up. That after hearing the monkey's sound, the loud chattering, Ramu Kaka woke up and see what he saw in the basket. He was shocked to see his basket almost empty. Almost empty means all the caps, the monkeys, they already took his caps and the empty basket was almost empty. Hearing the loud chattering of the monkeys, he looked up and can you guess what he saw? See, after hearing the chattering of the monkeys, he looked up. See here, he looked up. How he is looking up? What he saw? The monkeys were playing with his caps. All the monkeys, they were playing with his caps. He wanted to laugh and cry at the same time. See, he was confused. He was not knowing that whether to laugh or cry. Why to laugh? Because all the monkeys wearing the caps or playing the caps. And why to cry? The caps belong to Ramu Kaka, right? He wanted to sell the caps. That's why he was confused, laugh and cry at the same time. While he was wondering how to get his caps back, he remembered what his grandfather had told him. See children, what his grandfather, as I told you one story before starting the lesson, assume that cap seller was Ramu Kaka's grandfather, right? His grandfather had also faced a similar situation. He too had been a cap seller, right? I told you how that cap seller took his caps back by throwing the caps down. Monkeys also followed him and a monkey also thrown the caps down. Then he had collected all the caps and went to the selling. The same person we can assume as Ramu Kaka's grandfather. And the trick he had played to get his caps back as well known. Right? How to get the caps back was well known. As I said you, how he thrown the cap, all the monkeys also thrown the cap. He grinned. Grinned means children, smiling, right? Smiling happily. Monkeys like to imitate human beings. Monkeys like to imitate human beings. Monkeys likes to copy human beings. He nodded his head knowledgeably. Right? He nodded his head knowledgeably. Means now I know what to do. He shook his head. Right? He was sure that he too would get his caps back. He was sure, like how my grandfather did the thing. He thrown the cap, so I will also throw the cap. So monkeys will give me the caps. Ramu Kaka stood at a place from where he was sure all the monkeys could see him. What happened? Ramu Kaka got a plan, got an idea. So he stood up from the place where all the monkeys could see him. At the distance, where all the monkey could see him properly, so that the monkey will follow his steps, action, like what he is doing. He was thinking that as his grandfather did the thing, the same trick he can apply on monkeys. Right, children? So, like that way, he could get the caps back. Now, what happens next? We will come to know in our next lesson. Children, read this complete lesson 5 times. Okay? Now, open your script writing page number 2. See, children, script writing page number 2. The sky is blue. Love begets love. Okay? This you have to sharpen your pencil and write by touching the lines neatly. Okay? Your handwriting should be neat and clean. See, put the date 12th August to 15th August. That means 4 days you have to follow. Now, one time write in this book. Then after 3 days, how you wrote in a notebook, in a script writing 4-line notebook, you have to follow that. Okay, children? Do your work and send me. Bye. Take care.